Today, we're diving into a game-changing AI software that's just been released, and if you're new to this, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know to make the most of it. Stick around to the end because there's a huge surprise that could save you time, money, and boost your productivity. First off, let's talk about the unique features that make this AI software stand out. This is not just another tool, it's designed with simplicity in mind for those of us who want results without getting bogged down in the techie details. The intuitive interface is a big win for newcomers who may feel overwhelmed by the complexity of other AI systems, but don't let the simplicity fool you. Underneath, it's packed with robust capabilities. Second, this AI software is built to scale with your needs. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing multiple projects, it adapts to any workflow. You can automate tasks, streamline your processes, and reduce manual work, meaning more time for what really matters. And yes, this helps in increasing efficiency, which is exactly what you want from the best AI tools out there. Now, let's talk about speed. In the world of AI, speed is everything, and this software delivers lightning-fast results. Whether it's processing data, automating your responses, or helping with decision-making, the software's advanced algorithms ensure that you're not waiting around for outcomes. Everything you do with it happens quickly, and in digital marketing, that's crucial for staying ahead of the competition. Another key feature is its adaptability. Unlike other AI tools that may feel like a one-size-fits-all solution, this one allows you to customize it according to your specific needs. If you're running digital campaigns, it can tailor itself to analyze ad performance, customer engagement, and even provide actionable insights based on data trends. This level of customization makes it incredibly powerful for anyone serious about growing their business. In terms of integration, this software connects seamlessly with other platforms you're likely already using. From CRM systems to marketing tools, it syncs effortlessly, which means you don't have to waste time figuring out compatibility. It's plug and play, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to hit the ground running without wasting time on setup. But what really makes this AI software stand out is its ability to learn and evolve. The more you use it, the better it gets. Think of it as a tool that grows alongside your business. It understands your preferences, optimizes its features based on your behavior, and ultimately helps you achieve better results every time. Lastly, this software is highly secure. With so many businesses relying on AI, security is a top priority. You can rest assured that your data is protected and your business is safe from potential cyber threats. That's something you want to look for in any AI tool you choose. Now, here's the best part. You can try this software completely for free. You'll get access to all these features without having to spend a dime. And after you've tried it, you can explore other recommended AI tools in the description that I've personally tested for thousands of hours, all of which come with free trials so you can see what works best for you. Remember, this is the kind of software that could transform the way you work, save you time, and give you a competitive edge. Don't miss out on the chance to dive into the future of AI. Click the link below to get started.